Guys, this is my 2012 Kink Curb bike check. It's custom. A couple $100 put into it. It's not, I'm almost done with it, I guess. So, start from the front. Got ODI long neck bar ends with Eastern nylon glow-in-the-dark bar ends. Oh yeah, ODI long neck grips. Kink Volt forks. Mission. Stem. Stock front wheel. A Eclay 25 tooth purple eggplant color sprocket logo, glow in the dark pedals, Mission Transit cranks, stock frame, RI seat post, pivotal, Mission seat clamp, Shadow Conspiracy, pivotal, padded, slim seat, really comfortable, stock back wheel, KMC chain. About to take off the brakes right now. So that's my bike. Bye.